Hey, this is Dad Random. Which props are better? Really, that's what I'm looking at. Six-bladed or five-bladed? I am flying the Diatone Roma 3-inch. I have got a SMO camera load along with a 3S Lion pack. So I'm carrying a lot of weight, about 350 grams with this build. So what I'm trying to do is get Cine-like footage. So I'm trying to get that low, slow, smooth footage that I get with my other quads, but I want to do it with the small airframe in case I just want to get into tight areas. I want to go in a place where I can sacrifice a quad, something that wouldn't be too expensive if I crashed. This would be the build that I would go with, but it looks like the 6-blade on the upper left is way outperforming the 5-blade. The 5-blade, as you can see, I'm getting I'm having a lot of trouble, flow state stabilizing it. So you can see the flow states are really working hard at trying to smooth this flight out. And the 6-blade, which is only a 2.5 inch prop, is outperforming the 3-inch 5-blade. Now, both of them are able to pick up speed pretty good. I definitely think the 3-inch is able to fly faster. I guess one option would be to look for a 6-bladed prop. Now, this is a T-mount prop, so that's one of the tough things about finding these multi-bladed props right now, is most of them are not, it's tough to find a T-mount 3-inch or 3.5-inch right now. So that's what I'm looking for. So that's probably something I need to consider. Now, these are 3,000 kV motors, so we're getting, we're really turning fast. So, putting a bigger prop isn't necessarily the key. Now, you see that on the bottom right there when I did the roll, that, it was a mess. You could literally feel it shaking, pulsating as I turned around. It was not an easy turn, but much smoother. So we're going to right now say that the 6-inch is the winner. And it's pretty obvious. Much easier for me to fly. I really had no trouble flying this. Even when I came in to finally land, I come in, I control it really well. I'll come in, and then you see I got that car over there, so I'm like, all right, I'm going to go past it. I'm going to spin around really quick and just do a little pirouette. There we go, a little bit of a spring back. And then, this is where, you start to, try to just kind of feather your throttle as you're trying to land. And that was pretty easy, not a problem at all. Nice easy landing there. You can see on the bottom right, I'm doing a little bit more speedy. I'm trying to push those props to see if there's anything I can do to make them better, and there's just nothing that I do at all that makes it better, and then it just is impossible to edit. So the 5-blades are definitely out. All right, dead random. I think this experiment took care of things. Later. Bye. Dead random. 5-bladed versus 6-bladed. Looks like 6-blade is the choice for the Diatone Roma 3-inch.